review on the nutritional Ninja Duo. It comes with two different bases. Comes with the drink and smoothie base. They come all with 3 different sizes. And then also it comes with like a Nutri base, which is on the floor. I'm just using this today. So this is what I'll be using today. It's called the Nutri Ninja Duo, 2 functions, 1 base. So it has the function of making your juices and smoothies, and then also fusing things such as meats. How to load a smoothie machine, or how to load the smoothie. And the importance is, like, you do not want to fill the cup, which is going to be this. You don't want to fill the cup and also fill it all the way up. Like here it tells you where the max is, and just follow those guidelines when you're filling the cup. And then also you start by adding your fresh fruits and vegetables. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by just adding my cucumbers. And for this recipe, we're gonna be adding cucumbers and then the green grapes. So I'm just gonna add about 5 cucumbers. And then also just about a cup of grapes. So I have my measuring cup here. So let's see, we're gonna do half a cup of grapes and then half a cup of limes. So that's half a cup of grapes. Then I wanted to add some limes in this as well. So I'm just going to just peel the limes. Or maybe I could just squeeze the lime juice in there. That would be better. I'm just going to squeeze the lime juice in there. This is my second lime I'm doing. Well, I cut it in half, so I'm going to squeeze about a tablespoon of lime juice. I'm going to be squeezing in my smoothie. I love limes and lemon. Hope everybody's morning is starting off well. Mine is extremely well. I'm so excited to show you this smoothie I'm going to be making. Then after that, I'll be adding a half cup of oranges. And make sure that when you do these oranges and like your anything that has seeds in it, like limes and lemons and stuff, make sure that there's no seeds in them. So I place that in. And then also we're going to be doing a 1/3 cup of cantaloupe. So my 1/3 cup is right here, and 1/3 cup of cantaloupe. I already freshly prepared these. This is fresh cantaloupe that I cut up. Let's see. So I've added 1/3 cup of cantaloupe. And then also after the cantaloupe, we're going to add a half a cup of baby spinach. So I'm going to get my cup. I have my baby spinach over here, guys. I already freshly washed my baby spinach, as you can see. So I'm just going to place half a cup of baby spinach in the smoothie. once my baby spinach is placed in there, I'm going to do a cup of H2O, a cup of water, and then half a cup of ice. So I'll be right back. Let me go get my water and ice. Hey guys, I'm back with the water. I'm gonna do a whole cup of water and then half a cup of ice. And so as I was stating, it is important to start off with loading your smoothie or your blender. Load it with the fresh fruits and vegetables first, and then you would, next, if you're doing leafy greens like spinach and stuff like that. And then also after that, are herbs. If you're adding herbs to your juice or your smoothie, you would add that next. Then after that, you pour your liquids such as water, yogurt, and then after that, next add your dry or sticky ingredients into the blenders or to the cup, such as like seeds, powder, and like anything that are dry or sticky. And then you would top it off with your ice and your frozen ingredients. So I'm gonna add my water, and it says to add a cup of H2O. And then after the cup of H2O, what I'm gonna be adding is half a cup of ice. Okay, so now I have my half cup of ice. I'm just gonna place it in there. And then just also remember, with the Ninja Nutri Duo, it has a auto boost IQ. So basically what it does is it remembers your steps, and it kind of just automatically goes to that custom say smoothie that you want, that you do a lot, and it automatically goes to that. So what I'm going to do is just going to, first of all, just always check to make sure everything's solid and that it's not leaking out. So here's everything that I'm doing. So the ice, the water, the oranges, the cucumbers, the grapes, and spinach. This is gonna be so good, guys. And if you don't want to do water, do coconut water. What I do like about this is it has this little automatic thing that, and there you go. I just hit smoothie and it does everything. I'm trying to get it close to the And guys, it looks like it's finished. So that's what I do, the perks I do love about the Ninja, I keep saying Ninja, but it's Ninja. I do love that it you just sit it there and it automatically does everything for you. So yes, that was just my quick review on it. And look, perfectly done smoothie. And if you're in a hurry, you need to go. Ah, it smells so good. I wish you were here. It's delicious, y'all. Enjoy. Have a great day. So I just wanted to go in a little bit of detail of this smoothie that I just made. It's called the Cucumber Quench. This is actually the recipe book that came with the blender, the Nutri Ninja blender, and I really do love it because it gives me different ideas and smoothie recipes. Also, it gives me recipes on how to make super breakfast bars. Let's see, also almond chai bites. Just gives you a lot of different veggie burgers, which I did say that this blender is the blender is a duo. It comes with where you can make your juices and your smoothies, and then also you can take the cups, and it comes with 3 separate lids where you can just take it to go. And then also it comes with a mixing bowl or a bowl, so where you could do fusions and basically fuse different types of meats to make tacos, or you can make salmon patties or stuff like that. So I really do our veggie burgers and stuff like that. So what the recipe that I did today for the smoothie is cucumber quench. And if you didn't get all the ingredients, it was 3 to 4 sliced up, and it's peeled as well, cucumbers, a cup of green grapes, and then also a half cut and peeled orange, and also make sure you remove the seeds. And then also half a cup of spinach, a half a cup of water, and then, well, it was a cup of water and then a half a cup of ice. And then also you had the 2 options of doing the cantaloupe. So I chose the yellow meat or orange meat cantaloupe instead of the honeydew. And so that was the smoothie that I did make, and I just hope you enjoy. Also, if you do have any questions, don't feel free to leave the comments below. And then also hit me up on my email, or just put comments of what different reviews or what different type of videos you'd like to see on this channel. I hope y'all have a blessed morning and take care.